Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the monitor and your body. Choose the correct cuff size and power the unit on. If it's digital, insert fresh batteries or plug it in. Sit quietly for 5 minutes with feet flat and back supported. Make sure you avoid caffeine or smoking for 30 minutes. Roll up your sleeve and place the cuff on bare skin about 2 cm above the elbow. Once done, rest your arm at heart level on a table and relax your fingers. Now you apply the cuff correctly and initiate a reading. Wrap the cuff snugly so you can slide one finger between cuff and arm, align the artery mark over the brachial artery, and sit still. Select single reading or the 3-read average on models that offer it. The average reduces variability. Press start and breathe normally. Do not talk or move while the cuff inflates and deflates. The monitor will display systolic and diastolic numbers. Make sure to note the time of day. Finish by recording and validating your results so they're useful later. Write down the date, time, which arm you used, and the systolic/diastolic values plus pulse. Repeat the measurement after 1 to 2 minutes and use the averaged value if recommended. If readings are unexpectedly high or low, stay calm and retake after repositioning the cuff. One key troubleshooting tip: if the monitor shows an error, recheck cuff placement and tightness, replace weak batteries, and avoid talking or moving during the next attempt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.